EDCA was never contemplated as a forward operating base. It is actually an HADR.
Can you decode your alphabet, Sue?
Humanitarian assistance.
Humanitarian assistance and disaster relief or resilience site. It's always been HADR. In fact, the last discussion I had.
Ganon din ang nangyari nung Vietnam days eh.
Okay.
Ang nangyari doon, kung maalala ninyo, si General Tobias led the PhilCAG.
Uh-huh.
Yung PhilCAG, kasi sabi, may commitment daw ang Pilipinas magpadala ng sundalo. Eh, sabi ng ama ko, oo, papadala kami ng sundalo, kaya lang engineer, gagawin kami ng tulay, magpapadala kami ng medics,
Yeah.
sundalo din yun. Pero hindi lalaban, di hahawak, hindi magdadala ng baril. So, ang intindi natin, ang EDCA can only be used in the event of disaster relief, human assistance, ano pa yung isa? Sorry.
Disaster relief.
Yeah, humanitarian assistance. Ano
HADR.
sabi ninyo?
HADR, humanitarian assistance and disaster relief.
Disaster relief.
Yes.
So, kapag walang disaster, like halimbawa ngayon, di ba, may Typhoon Kajiki ang Vietnam,
Mhm.
pwedeng gamitin yung EDCA. Nagtatanong ako, wala naman daw pinadala mula sa EDCA para tulungan ng Vietnam. May 20 ng patay. Hindi, tanong lang.
Well,